fish on. I think we got a spring on, yeah. Yeah. Got a spring on a fly. It's a spring. No, I got it right under me. I hit it right under me. Ooh, that's a nice chrome fish. Like a 10 pounder, 10, 12 pounder. Come on. There we go. Nice chromer. Oh my god, what is that? It's a monster. That's actually a monster. He's gonna take me down. I just know it. It's on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Come on, buddy. Don't fuck me up like this.
He just wants to go wherever he wants to go.
I'm a spring. I can do whatever I want.
If it's a red, you would want to pull it up just in case it's a red, right? Always. Because right now it's like you never know, right?
Yeah, I never know.
Sometimes you get a red in here.
Like I told you, that guy got the jack
But people are bumping red in this river last year.
last year. Yeah, I heard. Yeah.
Right? My buddy caught 2 red.
This guy is probably like 25 pounds or something. Oh. This guy doesn't want to come out. Oh my god! Dude, it's a monster. It's a monster. You want to help me net it though, Monty? Spring on a fly. It's a pain in the ass, but it's fun. Look at that. I think so. I don't know. But it's a monster though. Pushing 25 pounds, I think. For sure. Oh yeah. Fucking monster. There he is.
Oh, he got snagged at the side with,
Yeah.
as well. Oh, he's down the river.
I'm helping him out. There he is. Yoni is ready. Whew. He's gonna see the net and he's gone.
Yeah, I know.
It's a big male. Oh my god. If he so just try to scoop it up.
Yeah, I
Yeah, it's
know.
gonna break the rod. It's gonna break the net for sure. Oh my god. Wait, that's like. Wait, that could be my biggest fucking spring on a fly.
Well, you want to find out?
You have a scale?
I
Oh,
sure do,
shit.
bud. Keep the net on. Keep it in the net. And I'll weigh the net after. And let go. He's 25 without the net.
Yeah, it's probably like 20, 23.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's a big spring.